One of the biggest drains on daily energy isn't work or parenting or responsibilities. It's decision fatigue. And most people don't realize how much of that fatigue comes from something as simple and repetitive as figuring out what to eat. We all know you're standing in front of the refrigerator at the end of the day, already tired, trying to make a decision about dinner. It isn't just about the food. It's about your brain being asked to solve one more problem when it's already overloaded. This video is about removing that friction, not by doing less, not by lowering your standards, but by using AI exactly where it shines best. Because listen, AI is exceptionally good at narrowing choices, spotting patterns, and turning open-ended questions into clear options. And when you use it this way, everyday life starts to feel noticeably lighter. Here's my simple idea I'm sharing today. You take a picture of your fridge or your pantry and upload it to ChatGPT. Then ask for meal ideas using what you already have. That's it. ChatGPT can identify ingredients and recognize combinations and suggest complete meals based on what's visible. You can layer in constraints like time or dietary preferences or how involved you want to be, and the grumpy toddler that is picky about things. What you get back isn't just a list of recipes, you get clarity. Instead of starting at ingredients and trying to invent something from scratch, you can get a plan. You're choosing between a few solid options instead of all that overwhelm. And that shift really matters more than people realize. You see, most daily stress doesn't come from the big decisions that we're forced to make. It comes from the hundreds of little micro decisions. What to cook, what to buy, what to prep, what to make next. When AI narrows down that field for you, it removes a huge amount of mental load. And this isn't just about outsourcing responsibility or being disconnected from your life. You're really still the one choosing. You're still cooking. You're still involved. You're not carrying the full cognitive load anymore, and that is going to make a huge difference. What makes this hack powerful is that it's not really about the meals. It's about a pattern, and anytime you're stuck because there's too many options, AI could step in and help you move forward from that overwhelm to clarity. So planning works the same. Workflows work the same. Routines work the same. Instead of asking, what should I do? You're asking which one of these options makes the most sense right now. And that, my friends, is going to be a fundamentally different experience. You can take this one step further by asking ChatGPT to turn the meal ideas into a short plan for the week or a categorized grocery list or even a meal prep schedule that fits with your energy levels. So each layer removes another decision. And over time, something subtle but important happens. You stop dreading these moments. Dinner doesn't feel like this daily hurdle anymore. It becomes another area of life that feels supported instead of stressful. I feel like this is where AI becomes genuinely helpful in real life, not as a novelty or productivity hack, but as a quiet, infrastructure partner. It's working in the background and just reducing that friction and giving you space back. Space and time that you can choose to use on the things that you care about and love. So once you experience how much lighter things feel when decisions are narrowed down for you and you start applying this approach everywhere in life, not just meals, it's just the easiest place to start. I'm excited for you to start meal planning using AI and let me know in the comments what other ways you decide to use this little trick. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm Amanda. You can consider me your online big sis, here to teach you everything about AI plus you, because the magic happens in the intersection. I have so many more tips and advice videos coming up on how to leverage AI for life, business, and your career. I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.